When you receive an Exair cabinet cooler, you'll receive a cold air distribution hose and hardware kit. The hardware kit contains hose brackets used to support the cold air distribution hose, a 90-degree fitting, and an end plug. In this video, we're going to install a cold air distribution kit on this cabinet. We already have a cabinet cooler mocked up for the purpose of this video. The first step is to get an estimation of how long you need the hose to be. To do this, lay the hose inside of the cabinet. Once you have an estimation, use a pair of side cutters and cut the hose to length. Now that we have the hose cut to length, we're going to cut small holes around the perimeter of the hose to allow the cold air to escape. To do this, we'll use a pair of side cutters and we'll cut a V shape into the hose. This is where the cold air will escape. Continue this process around the entire length of the hose. Again, going back to the hardware kit, pull out the hose plug and install this into one end of the cold air distribution hose. We're going to install this 90-degree fitting onto the bottom cold outlet of the cabinet cooler. The remaining opening fitting on the hose will now install onto this 90-degree fitting. Now we position the hose roughly inside of the enclosure. Again, going back to the hardware kit, we'll take out the hose support brackets and install these along the length of the hose. Continue this process around every side of the enclosure. The cold air will now escape through the pre-cut holes we made.